Do you feel like you've inherited your oven the same way you inherited your kitchen, simply because it came with the place? While most of us cook with whatever is already installed, have you ever found yourself scrolling endlessly online or standing in a showroom trying to decode the difference between convection, steam, and wall ovens? The truth is, choosing the right appliance is far more complicated than it looks on the surface. In this video, we're breaking down the complex world of ovens to help you find the perfect match for your cooking style. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. Today, we're moving past the manufacturer spec sheets to give you a practical look at how different ovens actually behave in a real kitchen. Whether you are a baker, a roaster, or a weeknight warrior, understanding your equipment is the first step to better meals. Let's get started. First, the conventional oven as the reliable workhorse. The conventional oven is the standard in most homes, heating from the top and bottom using two separate elements. While it lacks fancy fans or steam, its radiant heat is remarkably predictable once you learn its quirks, like the fact that the back right corner usually runs hotter. This steady environment is actually superior for delicate, moisture-sensitive baking. It is the best choice for perfect meringues, soufflés, and cheesecakes that might otherwise collapse in a draftier environment. Second, understanding what convection actually does. When you add a fan to the mix, you get a convection oven, which strips away the layer of cool air surrounding your food to help heat reach the surface faster. This technology can cut your cooking time by roughly 25% and ensures much more even browning throughout the cavity. For the best results, you should either reduce your recipe temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit or keep the temperature the same and check your food significantly earlier to prevent drying it out. Third, the difference between standard and true convection. If you are shopping for a new unit, look for the terms true or European convection. Unlike standard convection, which just moves air around, true convection adds a third heating element directly behind the fan. This creates a much more consistent temperature across all racks, allowing you to bake 3 trays of cookies at once without ever having to rotate a single pan. Fourth, the rise of countertop and toaster ovens. Don't underestimate the modern countertop oven, as these units have evolved from simple toasters into high-powered machines capable of air frying, dehydrating, and proofing. Because they have a smaller cavity, they preheat in a fraction of the time and use much less electricity than a full-sized range. They are ideal for households of 1 to 3 people, handling about 80% of daily cooking tasks, like roasting vegetables or reheating pizza to a perfect crisp. Fifth, utilizing the misunderstood microwave. Many people treat the microwave as a simple reheat button, but it is a powerful tool that uses electromagnetic waves to vibrate water molecules. To avoid rubbery or uneven results, try using 50 to 70% power for longer durations, which allows heat to distribute more gently. If you want the best performance, look for inverter technology, which provides a continuous stream of energy rather than cycling on and off at full blast. Sixth, the magic of steam and Combi-Ovens. Steam ovens are the secret weapon of professional chefs because they prevent food from drying out during the cooking process. The most versatile version is the Combi-Steam oven, which allows you to bake bread with moisture for the first 15 minutes to get a massive spring, and then switch to dry heat for a crackling crust. Beyond the culinary benefits, steaming is a health-conscious choice that preserves up to 95% of water-soluble vitamins that are often lost during boiling. Seventh, ergonomic benefits of wall ovens. If you are planning a kitchen renovation, wall ovens offer a massive ergonomic advantage by placing the oven door at chest or shoulder height. This means no more bending down to lift heavy Dutch ovens or checking on a roast at knee level. While they are a more expensive investment due to installation and cabinetry costs, the convenience of having a double wall oven setup is a game changer for anyone who hosts large holiday gatherings. Eighth, comparing gas, electric, and induction ranges. When choosing a range oven, you must decide between gas, electric, and induction. Gas provides that classic flame control that chefs love for the stovetop, but electric ovens are generally preferred by bakers for their precision and evenness. Induction is the modern frontrunner, using magnetic fields to heat the pan directly. It is faster than gas and keeps your kitchen significantly cooler, though it does require magnetic-compatible cookware. 9th, lessons from commercial and specialty ovens. We can learn a lot from commercial ovens, like the deck ovens used in bakeries or the Combi-Ovens used in high-end restaurants. While you might not put a $20,000 industrial unit in your house, you can replicate their effects with specialty tools. For example, a home pizza oven can reach the 900 degrees Fahrenheit required for a true Neapolitan crust, and a countertop rotisserie allows for the self-basting action that keeps poultry incredibly juicy. 10th, the essential role of the Dutch oven. Even if you don't have a high-tech steam oven, you can achieve professional results by using a Dutch oven. This heavy lidded pot traps the moisture released by bread dough as it bakes, creating a localized steam chamber that produces a blistered, crackly crust. It is perhaps the single best investment a home baker can make to improve their results without replacing a major appliance. Finally, matching the oven to your lifestyle. By understanding how each of these ovens functions, you can stop fighting against your equipment and start choosing the right tool for the job. Whether you're upgrading to a steam assist wall oven or simply mastering the power settings on your microwave, the right knowledge changes everything in the kitchen. Keep experimenting with these different heat methods to see how they transform your favorite recipes. If you enjoyed this breakdown of kitchen technology, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.